Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to create an account on TikTok. I'm gonna use the iOS version here, but you could do it on Android. It's the exact same process. Go to the App Store here and get TikTok. I already have it here. And a couple of things to notice here, you gotta be at least 12 years old to create a TikTok account. So when you're on the download page, you could read about that and the age restriction and things like that. And once you're done, go ahead and press open here once the download is complete. And here on this page, you can go ahead and swipe up here to look at a bunch of other TikTok profiles. But once you press me, or if you press inbox, those two options are gonna require you to sign up. So I'm gonna press me here, and it says you need a TikTok account to continue. If you already have one, it says use the option on the bottom to log in. But let's look at the ways you could sign up. You could do phone or email or Facebook, Google, Instagram, or Twitter. I always like to sign up with my email or phone, so that's an easier option. Go ahead and press that red box here. And again, remember when we downloaded the app, it says we have to be at least 12 years old, so we have to go ahead and type in our birthday. Hopefully we're older than 12. Once you do choose your birthday, press the arrow here. Now you have to choose, do you want to get email or phone number? Those are your two options here. In this case, I'll do email. I already have another account with my phone number and it says set your password. So now choose your password, choose a strong password here and then press the checkbox. And there's a good chance that you're going to get a verification here. Go ahead and just finish that. And now if you go to me on the bottom, you should see your profile. Just like that, your profile has been created. You could press edit profile here. You could go ahead, change your display name. You could also change the name underneath, but you could do that once every 30 days. You could add Instagram and YouTube, add your bio and profile picture or video, and then press save on top. And then you could press the plus sign to start creating your videos and uploading it. And then you could go to home and start looking at other people's and adding it, giving it hearts, giving it comments. Once you do have a profile, all those become available to you. Make sure you check out this channel. I have very complete videos on creating TikTok videos, growing on TikTok, and so much more. So make sure you subscribe and you check out the other videos, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks so much for watching.